What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the money management. Back with another video. Actually, I just had a tooth pulled out, so I need the likes and stuff on this video. You guys know what it is. I'm sure you guys didn't want to see that. But yes, get me the likes because we're gonna pop a pill, make sure the painkillers work, and we're gonna make this next video. So do the good stuff, give it the feedback, like, subscribe, share, you know what it is. What you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the money management, back here with another video for you guys today. Happy Tuesday, and in today's video I want to talk about why you actually want more money. A lot of you realize that you make money, you do things to get money, and you don't realize the deep actual meaning behind it and what you're actually doing it for. But in today's video, like I said, I'll explain why you want money, why you're doing what you're doing to get money, all those kind of things. We'll dive into it, we'll break it down, and hopefully by the end of the video, you understand a little bit more about yourself. Now, before we get into that, yesterday we had money motivation. The aim was 40 likes on that. We are almost at 40 likes, so if you've not seen it, if you've not liked it yet, please go back and hit that like button on that video. But not only that, yes, there are more demands. On this video, please drop the thumbs up, drop the like, always comment as you guys do. Please make sure you subscribe if you're around here, hit the bell button below. We're continually growing, even though YouTube's trying to stop us, we're gonna keep going. And also, lastly, please make sure you guys are sharing these videos with your friends so they understand why they want more money, why they're doing what they're doing, and all those kind of things. Now, a lot of people say, money is evil. A lot of people say they don't need money to live, they don't need money to be happy, money doesn't make them happy. A lot of people say a lot of stuff when it comes to money. But now let's talk about why you actually want more money. To actually throw a spanner in the works to begin with, I do want to say, you actually do not want more money. Now you might be shocked and confused why I've said this, but you don't want more money. I can tell you a few things you do want, but you do not want more money. There's a reason people say money doesn't make them happy and all that kind of stuff. Money's negative, money's evil, blah, blah, I don't need money. They might be right, they might not be right. But either way, you don't want more money. I'll tell you a few things you do want. A lot of the time, you do want to quit your job. A lot of the time, you do want to buy nice gifts for your family, like this Santa hat. A lot of the time, you do want to be able to travel anywhere you like. More often than not, you do want to be able to eat at any restaurant you like. A lot of times, people like you go out shopping and you don't want to look at the prices. Now, factor all those things in that I just said. Quitting your job, eating good food, being with your family, traveling anywhere you want, buying things without checking the price, spending time with your family, doing all sorts of stuff. Think about all those things that I mentioned. Let's talk about eating good food for a start. You go to a restaurant, you're eating a nice meal. It comes to the end and you're like, you know what? I'm gonna leave. You think it works like that? Of course not. We're not stupid here. When you want to travel somewhere, you're gonna book a ticket. What's gonna happen? You guys know what's gonna happen. I don't need to tell you. When you guys want to quit your job, you might be able to quit your job. Next month when rent is due, next month when you're meant to pay the bills, what will happen? You guys know, all the things I'm talking about now require money. You're gonna have to pay for those bills, pay for that meal, pay for the travel expenses. And what is the common factor here when we're talking about paying for things? Of course, that is money. So, before you turn off the video and say, okay, now I know what I need to know, just hold on, just wait. All the things I mentioned are not just money related. The fact that you can go anywhere you want, whenever you want. There's also another factor behind that. The fact that you can eat whatever you want without looking at the price. Do whatever you want with your time. The things I'm talking about now all go down to freedom. Now, this is another factor that we all want. A lot of times, how do we get freedom? Well, we can get freedom in many different ways, but the main way we can get freedom and stay free is coming from money. So what exactly is my message here? Well, I'm trying to say this pretty simply. The quicker you get money, the quicker you'll be free. In today's society, in this day and age, the good thing is we have many possibilities to do that. I know a lot of you work jobs you don't like. I know a lot of you do things you don't want to do. I know a lot of you don't have the money, don't have the time, don't have the means to travel, to eat where you want, to go shopping without looking at price tags. And the reason is, unfortunately, lack of money. Let's be honest. For me too. Let's be honest. Would I be sat here making YouTube videos if I had tons and tons of money and I was completely free? I doubt it. I'd probably be traveling somewhere, seeing new sites, visiting new places. Let's be honest. That's just how I am as a person. This time last year, I was actually in Canada, just traveling because I was free. I didn't have a job. I was just, trying different things out. This year, I'm not traveling down to the virus and also because of the money factor. But if I had the money, I'd be more free. So again, the quicker you get that money, the faster you'll be free. The sooner you'll be free. Now, I do want to touch on the factor of when people do start making more money, they start getting that money they want. And the mistakes they make, because a lot of it does go wrong really quickly. It does go pear-shaped. Even when you see people win the lottery, suddenly they don't have any money anymore. Suddenly they're broke. People who are famous athletes, superstars, pop stars, rappers, influencers. You see them, actually no, we're not going to add influencers into that. That's a different breed of people. But you see all the people I mentioned make a lot of money, and a year, 2 years later, 5 years down the line, 10 years down the line, they're suffering, they're struggling. Again, it comes down to money. So what am I saying here? Well, the fact that you get a lot more money you start making more money. Doesn't mean that you do the things I mentioned at the beginning of the video. Doesn't mean you just start traveling anywhere you want. Doesn't mean you just, buy anything you want without looking at the price. Doesn't mean you go to eat a lot of fancy places and eat, steaks for $100. What it does mean is you have the ability to start buying your way closer to freedom. And buying your way closer to freedom does not go by upgrading your lifestyle and living a fake, lavish life. It goes to start being smart with your money. Investing, saving, look for opportunities, buying assets, generating cash flow, creating that wealth. That money you earn should go to becoming a new tool for creating new income flows, creating new cash flows, income streams, making more money for yourself. The fact that you're earning more means that you have more potential to grow, and it should be easier for you. So eventually you can get that real freedom a lot quicker. Unfortunately, the fact that you're earning more does also give you the potential to buy whatever you want, do whatever you want with your money. But I tell you what, those decisions you make, either you're gonna last long and you're gonna succeed, or you're gonna have a lot of fun in a short period of time and then go back to a miserable, unhappy life. Now it's up to you what you do when you get more money eventually. But remember the stuff I talked about. You try and buy freedom, you try and make more money, try and succeed, try and enjoy life, do whatever you want. You can even do many different things with your money. You can start blessing other people, creating means for other people. Things like providing for the homeless, giving money to charities. Those small deeds, those small acts of kindness, which make you feel good in your heart. Now, of course, it doesn't have to only be money related, but I'm saying if you have more money, especially for those of you always shouting about Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos, especially Jeff Bezos, they don't give him enough money, blah, blah, blah. Those of you who will have enough money one day, when you do get it, you can do those acts of kindness if you really are going to be those kind of people. You can start donating to charities and helping other people who are less fortunate. You can do all those things because, again, you have the money. Now, right now, the situation you're in, you might want to give a lot of money to charity, but you don't have the means to do that. Right now, you might want to travel to a lot of countries. You don't have the means to do that. Right now, you might want to live a lavish lifestyle and upgrade your lifestyle, but you do not, again, have the means to do that. All the things I mentioned just now come down to you getting more money, earning more money. And that is why I talk so much on this channel about creating income streams, side hustling, making more than you spend, avoiding consumer debt, being smart with your money, using it as a tool to create more earnings for yourself, being quick to create new income streams which bring you cash flow instead of being quick to spend your money and waste it. Honestly, we have so many opportunities in this day and age, not just because of the digital world, not just because of the pandemic, but just the fact that this period of time we're living in, there's so many more opportunities than there were 60, 70 years ago. The ability to invest, the ability to start your own business, the ability to create your own income streams is easier now than ever before. So this is a great period of time. Just like yesterday I talked about the fact that you're blessed. You are blessed, every single one of you. And the fact that you have the ability to earn money should not mean that you should be so eager to spend money real quick. Remember, do not upgrade your lifestyle too fast. Be smart, keep making good financial decisions, stay practicing good habits, keep on the right path so you can succeed when it comes to your financial goals, your financial dreams. Remember, my aim on this channel is to help you guys become close to freedom, more financially intelligent, on the right path to succeeding with your goals and dreams, becoming better, improving your lives, and hopefully this video has helped you guys do that. As always, make sure you guys give me the feedback I need, give me the feedback you want me to hear, let me know in the comment section below. Like I already mentioned, we're trying to grow this channel, trying to grow people, help people become better, improve their lives. So make sure you guys are continuing to spread the love, spread the word, all of that stuff. In this life, we have the choice to choose our destination. We've been blessed, like I said yesterday, to choose our destination, to choose our path, to go on journeys of our choice. We have the opportunity, but it's not easy for anyone. But that is why there are many, tools you can use, financial channels, YouTube, Google, all sorts of stuff. You can use your local library to start learning about different things you want to learn about when it comes to investing, making money, whatever it may be. You have the internet, you have the tools you need. Of course, everyone's in different situations, everyone's in different periods of their life. But that's why I'm just trying to inform you, let you guys know, let you guys understand that you have the tools necessary for free. Yes, you can buy paid courses and invest your money that way and pay to learn, but you also do have those free tools. So there shouldn't be really any excuse. If you want to choose a destination and find your path, you can do it that way. Your path may always change and you'll face different situations, but eventually overall the end goal stays the same. And as long as you try to get there, in the long run, you should be okay. So that does mean every single decision you take daily, weekly, you need to know why you're doing things and make sure you guys do them with a purpose. Overall, I hope you guys understood the message of today's video. The quicker you get money, the quicker you'll be free. Do it in the right way because there are plenty of right ways to do it, enough right ways to do it. But let's be honest, it's up to you guys what you do. You guys have the information now, you guys know what to do. It's up to you to go out there and do it. As always, please make sure you guys check out those links in the description. We have cryptocurrency, we have stocks, we have a free online guide to business, that first link in the description below. We also have my socials and also Tango Watches, my smartwatch company. So check those out. But that's today's, you guys. Thanks a lot for watching. I go into making, you go into making. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.